There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight
What's going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. I'm very happy to have you guys here with us today. Thank you for joining us and spending your time with us. I'll be with you guys in just a second. We do have to talk about Bitcoin possibly running to an $85,000 milestone price target. We're going to get right into it in just a second. Don't forget to tap that like button for me. It's much appreciated.
Now we stand together and hold on through the angry weather. We all want to make something better, I know. And my trust has been torn and shredded. It's been rough, but I try to forget it and move on to a place where I can grow. It's time, not holding back. I'm coming and coming fast. I know what I want to have. The dream is to detach from all that is bad, the things holding me back, the people that didn't last, the evil that kept me mad. This is my life, it's my time to do things just how I like. My runway for the lights, I'ma take flight, and my God is my purpose and my fight. If you feel the same, let me hear you say. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I can get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss. Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah.
If you're bullish on Bitcoin and crypto right now, smash that like button for us. And don't forget to answer the poll in the chat. Let's see where you guys are at. I'll be with you guys in just a moment. Again, thank you for joining us.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, I'll be eating Kobe steak hot. La da da, got that fish sushi grade raw. La la la, I'm on vacation, I'ma stay off. La la la, now I'm taking all my days off. La da da, yeah, I'll be in the top spot, putting work in, cause I'ma be a boss, in a penthouse, jacuzzi, turn it hotter. On the roof, waiting for me is a chopper. Cha-cha-cha, I'm living in a daydream, yeah, it may seem, but I manifest this every day, see. I got things I've been working on daily, and I stack it all up to this mainstream. I got the attitude, do what I have to do to be the best in the game, got gratitude, no bad mood, just fat views, ooh. Watch me as I take off, I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah. Blow up, yeah, I just wanna blow up, yeah, I just wanna blow up, yeah, I just wanna blow up, 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 blow up. Watch out for her dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for
Let's go.
Never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up. Look at you, I'm made up. Dirty thoughts are seeping to my mind. I can't wait up. She looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking, it's making them crazy. She know how to move. She said she's ready to party. Let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping a model. I can't get enough. I need you. I think this is lust, not love. 'Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush.
Let's go, Bitcoin! Who's ready? Less than 5 minutes before the festivities begin.
She the one, 2 shots and we having fun. 4 shots and we turning up. Dancing 'cause the night is young. Too much fun, feel alive in the night. She look good, she look right. We could live, we could die. Here she come, channeling my Casanova. She got a body persona. She got a bite like a cobra. I'll take the venom, it's worth it to know ya. She pulling up with that body. I wanna make her a hobby. She got a face of the naughty. I wanna chase it till I got her on me. I can't get enough. I need you. I think this is lust, not love. 'Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush. And everything that we taste feels like a drug.
Bitcoin $70,200 and pushing.
Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, I feel tired in my bed, wanna lay up. Watch TV instead, about fake love. Let the drama unfold with my brain numb. Yeah, I'm still digesting everything that's going on, second guessing if this world is a place worth saving. I feel lost in this world as of lately. Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign.
Less than 2 minutes, guys, and we're gonna get it started. Again, thank you guys for joining us. I really do appreciate it. If you're watching the stream later, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe now before this bull market really takes off.
But if I keep going, every day's a bit closer. Highs and the lows, feels like a roller coaster. It's never over. I gotta find a way to get inspired in this life. Stop looking out and start looking inside. Find what I love and take a
Less
little
than a
pride.
minute, let's
Anything is better than complaining about
go.
life. I don't need help, I can do it by myself. No pain, no gain, I will go through hell. Do what it takes, I will break out of my shell. I'm never coming back, once I'm gone, I'm out. Yeah, got me like, ooh, watch me on the screen, you gon' see me making moves. You gon' see me scheme like I got something to prove. Working like a fiend, yeah, I do just what I do. Got a purpose, got a view, turn my vision into truth. My dreams are becoming lucid. The more I work improving, the more I fight, keep moving. I am not losing, pride keeps me refueling. I will be better real soon, yeah. Real soon, yeah. Give me a sign, will everything be alright? Okay.
Woo! Alright, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I wanna be free. go see my face in my name. Came to this place to be great. Okay, okay.
Don't forget, pump those likes, hit that subscribe, and tap that bell. We getting into this thing. We coming straight out the bear market. This just fast as hell. Bitcoin just said, screw everything, screw the system, screw the financial system, screw big government, screw everybody. We fast tracking and going as hard as we possibly can. That's what Bitcoin said. Bitcoin said, I don't give a damn. Bitcoin investors and crypto traders alike, and meme coin traders and altcoin traders alike, we all said, that's what we said to the man, right? Now, if I'm allowed to do that on stream or not, I don't know. And frankly, I just don't care anymore. You know, we got demonetized, guys. You may not know who the hell I am, but I've been in crypto since 2018. I've been in crypto for a long, long time. Started this channel, grew this channel to over 10K subs in a year. And we just had a blast in the previous bull cycle. And now what I'm trying to do is take you guys on a fantastic ride on this next bull market. So, with that being said, strap in and let's get it started. First things first off, how are you guys today? Thank you guys for joining us again. I love you guys, man. I appreciate everybody that shows up, drops comments in the chat, hits the like, and comments on my videos, which more videos are coming soon, guys. We're going to get back into the routine very shortly, guys, and this stream is to kick that off because, frankly, I've just been absent more than I should have been in the previous couple of months. So we're going to get this thing kicked off in high gear, guys, and the first thing I'm going to do that is give you guys my opinion on Bitcoin right now, as Bitcoin could be testing a major breakout, and a major breakout target could be on the horizon for Bitcoin if this happens. So strap in and let's talk about it, and we will jump into some altcoins and see what we got going on with the altcoins coming up post halving. We got the solar eclipse happening tomorrow as well. What's going to happen with that? Nobody really knows. We're going to talk about that in another stream later on, possibly tomorrow, but we're going to get right into this. First things first, guys, if you haven't yet, check out Fairdesk. We have an exclusive link in the comment section, or in the chat and in the description, for Fairdesk. Great crypto exchange, no KYC, no VPN required to withdraw, and you can use up to 125x leverage. Fairdesk is doing a great job working diligently to provide a fair and safe and reliable, trustworthy crypto exchange for crypto traders in the US to use. So let's get right into it. What is up, official Crown Chakra TV? Crown Chakra in the building. Yo, what's going on? Is that the real Crown Chakra? What's going on, man? What's going on, bro? I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, and I love your music, by the way. Absolutely love your music. When we get monetized again, at 4,000 hours of watch time, bro. At 4,000 hours of watch time. Yeah, so we are going to have 4,000 hours of watch time to get that super chat button back enabled, right? And that's only if the YouTube gods allow it. You know? That's only if we're already at 1,000 hours of watch time, though. We're already at 1,000 hours of watch time. Yeah, 4,000 hours of watch time. But that's if the YouTube gods allow it, right? They're still going to review, they're going to have a person review the channel to see if it's still eligible for monetization even after we get the 4K hours. So, you know, it is what it is, man. We had a little too much fun in the last bull market. That's all I can say. Just keep a live stream going for 3,000 hours. Hey, I mean, you know, we might look into it. Let's talk about this price prediction for Bitcoin real quick. We are going to jump into some altcoins here in a second, and I want to just look at, you know, just overall, just the market overall right now, what's going on with the market overall, and, you know, meme coins, man. Meme coins, it's amazing how hot meme coins have been. I just, like, for one, okay, you know, everybody hated on meme coins, right? Everybody in the crypto space kind of hated on meme coins. I even hated on meme coins, bro, in the beginning. Because I was like, you know what? They're taking away from the actual value of crypto projects and the utilities. But listen. Meme coins basically kicking off this freaking bull market, man. It's crazy. So let's talk about Bitcoin real quick, guys. because I want to look at this. You know, I did just do a video on Bitcoin's Adam and Eve double top pattern because it was looking like it. You know, now I did say, what did I say in that video? I said if we bounced and held support, we would possibly invalidate the Adam and Eve. But you can plainly see the Adam and Eve that was trying to play out. It looked like I was not wrong for calling it an Adam and Eve pattern, guys, because when you look, you know, this spike here and then this rolled over top right there, that's an Adam and an Eve double top pattern. But you know, we hit that neckline sort of right here, and we did not break through it. We bounced beautifully off of support just like we did back here. And what are we doing now? We're testing resistance once again, just like we did here, just like we did here. So big question right now is, before I get into the price target for this pattern, the big question is, are we going to break out now here? This is on the daily time frame within the next couple of days, or, you know, think about this. We have the solar eclipse happening tomorrow. Okay, the solar eclipse is a big event happening right now, and we are testing major resistance and a major breakout for Bitcoin right now. I'm not saying that it's correlated in any way, but I'm just saying that these type of events, big events like this, especially when the media and everyone's really getting people hyped up over this eclipse for some reason, this can really make a big difference in the market. What's it going to do? Who knows? Maybe some spiritual psychedelic effect will happen and everybody will just be like, screw it, YOLO, I'm throwing my life savings into Bitcoin and everything just pumps. I don't know. But we are testing major resistance is what I'm getting at. So a pullback could happen. Okay, I'm bullish, but a pullback could happen since we are testing resistance. Look what happened when we hit the top here. Pullback. Hit resistance again here. Traded sideways a little bit here, sustained a little bit, but still didn't break the downtrend resistance line. Pulled back harshly, right? Big daily red candle, right? Okay, so what I'm getting at is, as we test this resistance, are we going to see this thing pull back, get a little bit more of a squeeze into the tip of this pattern before actually getting the breakout? That's the big question. Now, we can talk about where it'll go either way, right? We can talk about the bullish case. We can talk about the bearish case. We can give it to you either way. What's up, Crypto Dude MX? Welcome back, man. Long time no see. Man, you know, I love seeing people from the last bull market. And Crown Chakra, bro. I don't know if you guys have ever listened to Crown Chakra. I'm sure you have if you're in crypto, but you got to go check out his music, bro. I mean, come on. Don't trip by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. But so, you know, I had to point that out first. Before I get you all hyped up over the bullish price target for Bitcoin, I have to give you keep you grounded with the bearish case here. We are testing major resistance. We have an eclipse happening tomorrow. We could get a pullback, okay? So let's talk about the target, though, where this might go if this breakout for Bitcoin does happen. And guys, don't forget, smash that like button. We need more help than ever right now with the algorithm because we've just been crushed. So guys, smash the hell out of that like button right now for us. If you are bullish on crypto and if you love crypto, you are in the right place. I'm telling you right now, we are so back. Bro, we're so back. What's up, Aaron T? What's good, bro? We're so back, guys. We're so back. Anyways, we're building back better right now, baby. All right, let's do it. You ready? You ready? Ready? You ready for this? Look at this. It's a typical pattern. Let's talk about it. Either way we go, we're gonna be prepared. We're gonna be prepared. What events do we got coming up? Oh my gosh. We got the FOMC minutes coming up on April 10th. We got the inflation rate year over year coming April 10th. Core inflation rate April 10th. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this is another big deal, okay? This is another big deal, guys. All right, so listen. With these events coming up, okay, so yeah, we got a lot of big things coming up on April 10th, and that, look at where this lines up. Within the next within the next few days, we're gonna be testing this this is perfect. It always works out this way. Look at how the TA lines up. So we're getting the squeeze into the tip of this pattern, right as we have FOMC minutes coming up, the inflation rate data coming up in the next in the next few days or so. This is beautiful the way it always plays out. You always have some kind of confirmation of what's going to happen, right? You always have some kind of confirmation. What's up? Long Bitcoin guys right now. Listen. Okay, so again, what I said about the pullback, right? The pullback's possible. If that pullback did happen, that would set us up for a massive blast right here as the FOMC minutes comes out and the inflation rate data comes out. If the pullback were to happen. If the breakout does happen, guys, whether we get the pullback or not, if the breakout does happen, this is why I'm looking at that 85K range, because I want to keep it conservative. I'm looking at 85,500 is what I'm looking at, in my opinion, if Bitcoin gets this breakout, guys. Now, the target itself, this measurement right here itself, over here on the Coinbase chart, is saying about 87,500. All right, conservative, keep it around 85. I think it's a very likely possibility. Now, if we were to have a considerable push higher than that, I just don't. I think 90K, breakout above this resistance, 90K tops, but I'm looking at that 85K level, and I might even throw in a long. But once again, like I said, guys, wait for the pullback potentially. I'm just saying we could potentially get this pullback in where we would come back down to test the support once again before breaking out. I see it happen all the time. We're so close to breaking out, but you need that little bit more of a squeeze in between support and resistance before it actually gets the breakout. So we might see this pullback. You could even squeeze past the FOMC minutes coming out on the 10th. But I personally think the FOMC minutes, the inflation rate information coming out, I think will probably stimulate some kind of move here as we're squeezing in so tightly between support and resistance for Bitcoin. So get ready, guys. It's coming. Now let's talk about what could happen if the FOMC minutes takes a bearish case. Okay, let's just talk about it real quick. This is my target. This is the reason for the thumbnail. This is the reason why I do believe Bitcoin could reach $85,000 if this breakout takes place. It's a perfect pattern. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 4 touches on each line to confirm this pattern beautifully. So let's talk about where we could go if we go bearish. What's up, Hellblaw? Welcome back, man. Long time no see once again. I love to see familiar people in the stream. 20 cents Doge, let's go. Speaking of Doge, man, I did hit a few good gains on Doge on Fairdesk. I did catch a pretty good move on Dogecoin, man. Dogecoin I enjoy Fairdesk. I really like Fairdesk Mobile. I like Fairdesk just in general. I like its interface. It's simple. It's quick. I do like it. So far, I have no complaints so far, really, on this exchange. So I would definitely check it out if I was you guys. If you have if you have not signed up for Fairdesk yet, you can get a new user sign up bonus by using the link in the description or the link in the chat. So let's talk about this real quick. Where are we going if we go south? Where are we going if we go south? All right. Where are we going to go if we go south, guys? Let's talk about that real quick. Oh my God. I'm out of coffee, y'all. I'm out of coffee. I'll take a coffee break here in just a second. Guys, drop your top altcoin picks right now in the chat. I will be looking at them here in just a second. So if you're watching the stream right now, drop your top altcoin picks in the chat right now. Let me know what altcoins you guys are looking at right now, because I'm very interested. I'm actually very interested to know what altcoins you guys are looking at. Okay, so again, downside move, guys, would put us a target, even though I'm not really focusing on this measured move target for the downside. 54,800 possibly. I still think you would come possibly lower. I think this right here, 52,800, 52,800 down here, I do believe this would be the place that Bitcoin would retrace down to. Okay, just because of the major volume here, there's not really anything here. There's a little bit of possibility of support at around 57,000, which makes sense. That's at the bottom of this indicator right here. So that would make sense. If Bitcoin does drop, guys, this is just speculation. If we go bearish, I would be watching for a bounce here. We may not even go any lower than that at all. But there's a lot of support to look at along the way. So we won't even talk about that. If that were to take place, if we start seeing this thing roll over, falling below moving averages, then we can get bearish on the TA. But right now, I'm bullish. On the daily, just super bullish. Again, one more time, I'm going to reiterate the possibility of this pullback first, okay? The possibility there is still there that we pull back down to about 66,500, 66,400, give or take. 66.4 to 66.5 could be that pullback target before getting the blast off. But the blast off is absolutely going to take us to around 85,000 in my opinion. And another thing, guys, once Bitcoin, and I fully believe it'll happen, once Bitcoin, what's up, Will? Welcome into the stream. Cat Soul looks like a buy right now. ICP, AMP, VChain, Harmony One, Zilla, Vthor, Ada. Nice, Aaron. Aaron got a wide range of portfolio there of altcoins. Love it, bro. Love it. I love to see it. Can you check out the max history chart on Bitcoin before you stop streaming today? Curious to see where we are at in the bull cycle. Absolutely, Hellblaw. Yes, I actually haven't revisited that chart in a while, so we'll do that. It's going to zero by May. Let's get it. I'm trying to buy Bitcoin at zero all day long. We can absolutely do that. Let's go ahead and before I jump off of Bitcoin, actually, let's go ahead and do that. And then we are going to talk about some alts here in just a second. So let's get into that too. But first, let's go ahead and I appreciate you guys hitting that like button, by the way. Thank you so much. Putin with the max bear case. Yeah. Let's see. I do have, let's see. Everything you want, everything you need, trust the process, yeah, you got this, keep on working till you bleed. Yeah, I've been there, yeah, I've done that. 10 long years of breaking my back, but now I'm up here, never looking back. I got more dreams that I wanna go attack. Keep on going, keep on moving, never give up. I'll keep going, I can prove just what I'm made of. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing, bro. Okay. Alright, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about it one time. Where are we at? So okay, so look, guys, so remember what I was mentioning about the possibility of that pullback, right? So if we look at the monthly here on the long-term chart, the all-time history here, which I readjusted this some back a while back, but it's still basically pointing to the same thing. So if you look at where we're at, look at how beautiful this is. So if we look at the candle closes on the monthly, I mean, that pullback, you know, if we get the pullback before the liftoff, it would make sense, right? It'd be just a slight little back test of the candle closes on the monthly of the previous high. Now, I mean, there's also the possibility we come all the way down to test the LSMA on the monthly. That would put us down around that $50,000, $52,000 range. But I don't see that happening really. That would invalidate. That would break support. I don't see that happening, but it could. Keep in mind it could, but we're looking beautiful. As far as this chart goes, if we look back here on the monthly, guys, in the bull cycle, once we got above the LSMA like this here, once we got above it, look, we stayed above it all the way to the top, right? We stayed above it. Bitcoin stayed above it all the way to the top. Bitcoin never, I mean, other than the flash crash, right? We all know about that. But other than that, Bitcoin stayed above the LSMA all the way to the top of the bull market. And that's where we're at now. Now, that's the only thing is I'm wondering if we need a little back test of the LSMA before actually continuing this bull cycle to the next bull cycle top. Let's blast from here. Open the door. That's right. I love the green rockets. I do too. We haven't used them in a while, right? We haven't used them in a while, but it's time. It is time, guys. It is time. Now, once again, do we need a back test before liftoff? Not necessarily. The FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. The FOMO is real, guys. And if we look at where we're at now, I mean, we've had how many monthly candles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green monthly candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even in the last bull cycle, even in the last bull market, guys, Bitcoin never had this many green monthly candles in a row. Okay? Are we due for a little bit of a short-term consolidation? Possibly. But I still think we're well set to reach these targets, okay? And this is my super bullish case scenario, okay? This is just my opinion based on the analysis that I've done for a long time. I've been watching this chart for a long time. I've been in crypto since 2018. I started doing TA in 2018. So, you know, we've been looking at this for a long time, from way back. So we've watched it all play out. I do believe that we're set to see this run. Now, could we come lower? Could it be lower? We could bring this down some. We could actually bring this down some, and we could bring this down to the support levels here. I just moved this up to make connections that I seemed fit, but really, if we bring it on down, this would maybe give us a more conservative idea of where the next bull cycle top would be. Okay, and that is possibly around $175,000 to $180,000. Now, that's a more conservative case. You see my previous level, that's when we rise to the wick. That's around $200,000 to $250,000 for the next bull cycle top, or for this bull cycle top. Now, again, do we need a short-term consolidation here? You know, that's just all up in the air. What do you guys think? I'd love to know what you guys think. Do we need a short-term consolidation before Bitcoin actually kicks off with the happening and everything? You know, before it actually kicks off and runs, and really runs a parabolic run like this again, because once again we've had more green monthly candles than even the last bull cycle had in a row. So there's a huge possibility. Yes, so yeah, 90K top just seems, a 90,000 Bitcoin top seems unrealistic right now to me, because we've already passed 70 this early. So I'm looking at least probably 150 to this 175 target is what I'm looking at, because every cycle top we touch this line. So, you know, if we touch this line by January of 2025, Bitcoin will reach $175,000. FOMO, baby. FOMO, crypto dude. That's right. All right. So that is Bitcoin for you guys. That's my opinion right now. That's my take on Bitcoin. Again, you know, again, Bitcoin can, you know, Bitcoin can do a lot of things, but oh, and I forgot about this. So this was my other idea, guys. I almost forgot about this. Before we leave Bitcoin, before we move on from Bitcoin, I almost forgot to show you guys and point this out. Okay, So now what if these monthly bull flags play out? Okay, because basically each bull run is the flagpole, and each bear market is the flag, right? Okay, so this could give us an idea based on just simply the measurement of this pole right here. It could give us an idea of the next cycle top as well. Let's just see where this takes us. If you really want to get super bullish, okay? Let's just see where this takes us, guys. What does that say? What does that say right there on that screen? Take it with a grain of salt, but $500,000. Okay, but now where does that say that by? Look at the date. Look at the measurement. Look at the measurement and look at the date down here at the bottom. December 2024. December 2024 to January 2025. Bro, are we going to have some kind of crazy? I mean, I'm just saying, let's see what the percentage of that would be again. Let's see what the percentage of this would be. From the bottom to the top, make it drop. From the bottom to the top, make it drop. Oops. I made it drop, all right. I made it disappear. Okay. Look. Okay, so look, guys, it makes perfect sense. Okay, each year. Okay, this bull market, this one was 11,800. This one was 2,300. This one with the ETFs and everything taking place and everything going on, the FOMO and everything, the supply shock. Could this bull cycle have a higher percentage? This one was only 2,300%, which we also had, you know, the flash crash and all that. But I mean, guys, I mean, I really think that this makes sense. It would make sense according to Bitcoin's price history, right? It would make sense to see. So I have a couple of different theories for my cycle top for Bitcoin, right? Hellblaw said 500k seems 100% reasonable. Everyone's effing 401k is now invested into Bitcoin. No one realizes how insanely bullish that will be. One thing I'm noticing with your polls is the angles are decreasing. Could you see what each of those angles are? The angles are decreasing. Oh, they are. They're getting smaller. That's because the bull markets technically, you know, the bull markets technically in price swing have been, the swing highs have technically been getting lower each cycle, right? Technically. You know, every cycle seems to be getting lower in percentage. You can see, of course, the very first cycle down here from bottom to top was, you know, 48,000%. As the price gets higher, each cycle is getting kind of crunched. The next cycle right here in 2017 was 11,800%. And then the last one was only from the bottom to the top. The last one was actually kind of short compared to the other cycles. It was only 2,335% gains from the bottom to the bear market to the top of the bull market. So with everything in place now, though, guys, is what I'm getting at, and what Hellblaw was saying too as well, you know, is that this cycle could be, we could see the cycle start to increase again, right? As the supply is getting crunched for Bitcoin and the demand continues to increase, and, you know, the exposure and the ETFs and everything, like Hellblaw in the chat said, the 401ks offering Bitcoin to retirement funds, all this together could help fuel these next cycles to start increasing in length and size, you know, in my opinion. And then we have the big question of what happens when Bitcoin, you know, gets to the tip of the liquid index chart, right? Like, what happens then? What happens when it breaks that resistance? Because that's literally Bitcoin's historic resistance line since its inception. What happens when Bitcoin breaks that resistance? Like, I don't know who's going to be buying a whole Bitcoin at that point, because it'll be left up to just the big guys at that point, guys. But right now, we're still early. As average Joes, as the little guys, we're still early, okay? We're still early. There's still huge money to be made here. Personally, I would much rather see Bitcoin just crash down to, like, you know, 20, 30,000, though, to be honest, before we take off. But that's not going to happen at this point. I mean, if we go back and look, It's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. But this right here just, I can't help but think that this is going to play out. This makes perfect sense when you look at the fact that when you just analyze each bull cycle in each bear market, each top and each bottom, and you just continue this pattern on, and this trend, you continue this trend on into this bull cycle, then we're looking at $500,000 Bitcoin. You got a 500K Bitcoin looking at you in the face. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Your little 0.25 Bitcoin is going to be, you know what I'm saying? We got life-changing money ahead of us, guys. And if you're ready for that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel now. Hit that bell and look out for some videos, some hot TA content coming your way, and more live streams on the regular once I get my schedule all sorted out. So don't forget, subscribe, tap that bell, and of course, like button getting tapped means a hell of a lot to me. So thank you guys very much. I would love to own even a single Bitcoin. True. And you know what the crazy thing is? People thought we were crazy when Bitcoin was like $3,500 and we were buying it. What's that saying? They think you're crazy until, or what's that saying, bro? That's you're crazy. I don't know. Anyways, I can't think of it. But I'll be right back. We're ending the Bitcoin segment, okay? If you missed any of my Bitcoin content that I just talked about, feel free to rewind the stream and catch up with us here in a minute. The stream is not ending. I'm going to step away for just a second, grab me some more, or get some more coffee brewing, actually, because I got to make some more coffee because I'm about out. So the stream is not ending. If you missed the Bitcoin analysis and the Bitcoin commentary and content, just rewind the stream, guys, and get back with us here in just a second. I'm going to go get some coffee brewing real quick. If there's anything you guys would, it's only going to take me just a minute, so I'll be right back. But I'll throw up, I don't know, we'll throw up like a short-term Bitcoin chart or something. Let's throw up like a 15-minute chart. I don't know. Let's keep an eye on it though, because what are we doing? We're dropping back below 70. We just hit 70,200. We're back below it. We're back down to 69.8. So that resistance could be playing out. Let me pull up my chart. Where is my chart? Where is my chart? Okay, the resistance could, look at, we're getting tapped on that resistance. The resistance could be playing out. Remember, I mentioned that pullback, guys. Don't forget the pullback that I mentioned. All right, let's look at this one right here. So we'll just put this up real quick. I'm just going to get my coffee going, and then we're going to jump into the altcoin segment of the stream. Again, thank you guys for joining us.
Out, cause I'm here now and I'm staying. Claws out, this the fight that I've been craving. I know there's something inside of me, but it's
ooh, 15-minute breakout looks beautiful.
Let's go. I'm waking up, this ain't enough. All of my dreams were starting to rust, but I believe that I can adjust. Positive thoughts, I'm starting to trust. Nothing's deserved unless you work. Something of worth requires an urge. I have been hurt by those at their worst.
And it's already hit. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to get some coffee brewing, and we're going to jump into the altcoins. I'll see you guys in just a hot second. We need a social media game plan to get these stream numbers up to the hundreds for the next liftoff of Bitcoin. Hellblaw, I agree with you, man. And if you want to contact me and talk about that, we can. If you have Discord, if you're in the Discord, you can talk about it in the Discord. And we're going to get into some live trades. I am going to get into some live trades. I've got Fairdesk I've got it ready, bro. I've got it ready. I'm really honestly waiting, though, because I'm not so sure that we're going to break out just yet. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see if we get this pullback, because if Bitcoin pulls all the way back down to support to get this squeeze, a final little squeeze in here, you know, I would rather go long at 65,800 then go long at 69,800. So I'm waiting to see what happens here, guys. If we can start to break and close, if we break, if the daily breaks and closes above this downtrend, I might enter then. But I really want to see what happens with this resistance first, because every time we've tapped it, we have come down considerably. So I'm just kind of on the sidelines just for a hot second, just to wait and see. Again, if you want to check out a new exchange that you have not signed up for yet and get a sign-on bonus, use the link in the description or the link in the pinned comment. Fairdesk offers up to 125x leverage and no KYC, no VPN required to withdraw, and it's offered in the US. So check them out. I'm really enjoying Fairdesk, and you probably will too. All right, I'm going to go get the coffee brewing, guys. We got to get the energy for the altcoins, right? I got to get the energy up for the altcoins, so I'll be right back. Hold down the fort for me. I'll be right back.
Got some pain in their life, you can see it in their eyes. They're changing at night, underneath the dark skies. Forced to become something darker inside. You can feel the switch, feel the shift in the tide. They keep desiring something that's more inspiring. Their brains rewiring, old thoughts they start expiring. They're never tiring, no, now they feel the fight in them. They feel the fire sweep, take over entirely. They feel it growing, it's showing the feelings. They keep overflowing, always stoking the fire. Adrenaline is overloading, hit the mat like a fighter. They never let up, never throwing, giving to their desires. No, they keep working on their focus. They feel the temperature rise, now there is no place to hide. You better dig deep inside and find anything, everything that you could ever need. Every breath that you breathe, dedicated to believe. Streets that they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. Going to the streets that they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. They took the form of a beast. 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 They're all gone now, so you better watch out. Reborn now, took a new form now. Straight beast underneath what you see. They gon' eat anything, everything, make them bleed, cut them deep. A villain origin story, tangled with glory, now it's looking stormy. Off in the distance, hear the roaring, thunder pouring, there ain't no ignoring. Streets that they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. Going to the streets that they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. They took the form of a beast. 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 things happen to good people. None of us were ever really born equal. Only one life, there ain't no sequel. Some people live, others stay fearful. This world ain't never been peaceful. You got good, always butting heads against evil. The good try to be fair, but the bad lethal. They gon' fight dirty, every single one deceitful. Stand up, I wanna see your face. Get your chin up like you belong in this place. We gon' train like you've never trained before. You're going up against something that you can't ignore. This ain't a game, this your life that we're playing with. There ain't no reset button or an off switch. You gotta face your fears, you gotta scratch the itch. You gotta break through the walls and get after it. Only time will tell who's gonna make it. I promise you, I'ma be the one who's gonna take it. I fight, I provide, leaving blood on the pavement. If you're up against me, then you better be praying, cause I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking. I'll keep going through the blood that I'm tasting. I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win and who will fail. Villains and heroes, no there ain't no one else. Pick a side by yourself. I got this, there ain't no going back. Leave it all on the battlefield, push the attack. You can't stop me, I'm obsessive. A lot of people think that I come off aggressive, but I'm just passionate. Why aren't you? Ain't nobody care if you got nothing to lose. You gotta put yourself on the line, make moves. Otherwise you'll be a sheep with the lions watching you. Only time will tell who's gonna make it. I promise you, I'ma be the one who's gonna take it. I fight, I provide, leaving blood on the pavement. If you're up against me, then you better be praying, cause I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking. I'll keep going through the blood that I'm tasting. I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win and who will fail. Villains and heroes, no there ain't no one else. Pick a side by yourself. Today is the day, don't waste any time. Know it's time to make a change. Up in your mind, rearrange. Start thinking you're the hero headed out on your way. There's gonna be good times and bad times. That's alright, just stay on the line. Cause in life we all got a different mission, but the good guy always wins, that's a given. If you stay committed, you stay driven, you'll be looking down the barrel of completing your mission. Ignition, light the flame, get the fire and you listen. Take these words deep, cause this is real, ain't no fiction. You don't need drugs, help, any prescription. Just persistence and energy can win any competition. So keep fighting, facing any opposition, and be the hero in a story you yourself have written. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win and who will fail. Villains and heroes, no there ain't no one else. Pick a side by yourself.
Alright guys, grabbing my coffee and I'll be right with y'all. What's going on, Derek Martin?
Wake up, every day feels boring. The same thing, routine in the morning. Grew up too fast without warning. And when it rains, it's pouring. I got dreams, big dreams. I wanna do big things, but I just can't seem to put it all together. I just wanna be seen. I'm jumping ship, I'm a diving. Middle of the ocean, swimming till I find it.
Alright.
Out ahead, filled with things that I've wanted since I was.
We are back. We are back. So back. And the Resistance is playing out perfectly. We hit, what, 70,003? Let's get this off the screen. Alright. Alright guys, I got my coffee. How black do you like your coffee? How black do you like your coffee, friends? How black do you like your coffee? Because I like my coffee super black. Looking like a 5-minute W pattern. Who it is? Ah. I see what you're saying there, my friend. If we get this bounce off the indicator, which it typically does, look, it bounced here. Typically, it always gets a back test of this indicator. Once I put this indicator up on my charts and started using it like a year and a half ago, guys, I've left it on there, breaking it, coming on down to the 21. Is it? Hold up. This indicator confuses me because we got a few different moving averages all together, and the thing is, like, when you are trying to maximize your profits and you're not trying to spend any extra money at all, which is like most average people, most people that are trading crypto, most people that are into crypto, you know, you're not going to want to be paying, you know, $300 for an indicator. You're not going to want to be paying like Duke said Bitcoin to 58K, which is funny because, bro, I just talked about the pullback target for Bitcoin. Okay. Look, before we move on to altcoins, one last time. But what I was getting at is, like, you know, if you can't, it's not that you can't afford to pay for it, but maybe you just don't want to pay for it. Like, you don't want to pay for, you know, the like $50 trading view plan, or you don't want to pay like $300 for an indicator. There's lots of free alternatives on TradingView, lots of free indicators on TradingView that work great. I use all free indicators, and typically they work great. For instance, this indicator here, you know, I mean, it's just a divergence indicator, you know, and this one, you know, you can put up to 3 moving averages in one, so it's like, and then we got, you know, we got everything we need, really. This TT indicator, this TT right here, beautiful. I love it. It's also got buy and sell signals on it. I don't typically use them though, but man, just lots of free indicators to use. Now, I mean, if you want to dish out the money to pay for an indicator, and if it helps you make enough money that you pay for it, sure. It's just like, man, sometimes I'm like, bro, why do we need like $500 indicators? I'm just saying that sounds crazy to me. You know, like, I'm sorry. I know I can understand if it helps you make money maybe, but why should you have to pay $500 for something to help you make money trading? Unless, you know, I don't know. You gotta be like you just gotta be not very good at TA or something, I guess. I'm not trying to say that, you know, people that use high-paid indicators are not good at TA. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, like, bro, what? I'm not a guru or nothing. I get stuff wrong all the time. But I've also got a lot of stuff right using just simple stuff. That's what I'm saying, is like, it should be easy enough to, like, just find support, find resistance, watch the trends, watch the news, and which brings me to that, you know, that that $58,000 level. So, you know, I mean, that would be about halfway through my measure move target to the downside. Actually, mine was like more around like 54,008. Still think this down here would play out though, because there's not a lot in the way right here. So that's if we go down though. That's if we go down. All right, let's move on. Altcoin time. And you know, if it's altcoin time, then you know, it's altcoin time, baby. It's altcoin time. Are you ready?
You don't wanna see me mad.
Is it altcoin time? So, man, I tell you what. Doge. Oh, Doge. Is this? The hell? What the hell? I must have been drunk. I must have been drunk, y'all. Because I don't like the way this looks at all. What was I doing here? What was I even doing here? For some reason, but man, Doge. Oh my goodness. Bro. Like, no joke. Why is that? Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. I mean, I'm trying to figure out, man. I can't do it. I can't break through these candles back here. So I'm gonna just leave it like that, like it is. I can't do it. Just can't do it. Okay, that's looking better. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing that night, but I must have been messed up, y'all, because my trend lines were everywhere. Okay, but we got a little something more going on here. I hate to cut through it like that, but really, it's still hard. It's still hard to say, but it still looks like. You know, it still looks like to me this. I think we're primed. I think we could be primed for like some type of little back test, maybe. I'm still really bullish though. Like, for instance, you know, we talked about Bitcoin and why Bitcoin looks bullish, even with a back test, if the back test happens. But like even Dogecoin, you know, the reason it's like you got this support, you know, you got this resistance, and that's why I had to straighten these trend lines up just to make it all connect right. And it does. It all connects beautifully here. We got this beautiful thing going on. This is the 4-hour time frame, and then so I still think that Dogecoin looks primed to come up and, you know, retest these highs up here, because that would be, you know, we'd be pushing that 23 cent mark. We'd be pushing that 23 cent mark up here if we did. And then, you know, we get another test of that resistance, and then continue to get this squeeze in that we got going on. But I still think that's probably, and then plus we still got a little bit of ways to go. We need to see 21 again, anyways, to get a test of this downtrend here, local downtrend. So, but if we get a pullback, mean, I don't think we'll go lower than. We shouldn't go lower than 18.5 cents. So Dogecoin, man, Dogecoin. Look at this. This is crazy. So, I mean, granted, we got the downside looking at us like all crazy, like what, you know, but it is a rising wedge, right? On the 4 hour, it is a rising wedge. Am I correct? But I mean, come on, it's a bull market. It's a motherfucking bull market. I like 55 cents. I like a 55-cent Dogecoin. I do. I would love to see a 55-cent Dogecoin. I don't know about you guys, but I would love to see it. You know, now I think let's go ahead to the daily. Hold up. Let's bring the vibe back. Oh my. Oh my, would you look at that though? If we did get that pullback to 10 cents, it would test the 200-day moving average perfectly for a back test. But the upside would almost test the previous top. Close to it. Oh, but you're in a rising wedge. But look at that. Would you look at that? I mean, what do you guys think? I think even if it's a rising wedge, if you're in a bull market, it can break bullish easily. Oh my goodness. That's wild though, because that would line up. We wouldn't go all the way to 10 though, I don't think. It'd be more like 12. Dogecoin would be hitting more like 12, but 10 would be lining up with the previous resistance right here. I mean to the tip of the wick. To the tip of the wick would be 10 cents, right? For the back test of that resistance for support before liftoff. I'm just saying the back test could happen before we lift off, and even the same thing with Bitcoin, you know? The back test could happen before we lift off. I really, really think it could happen, but we're looking at it like, damn, it's so primed and ready for a big ass trade. I'm just saying. Imagine, because think about it. You know, I mean, this is good trades too, right? This is a beautiful. Inside the pattern is a great trade too. I mean, you know, catching these shorts right here on the daily. Look at them three beautiful daily red candles. That'd be a great short. And then, you know, you catching the bottom. If you're catching the support down there, you know, beautiful longs. But think about this though. Think about catching, you know, these breakout trades. Catching this, right? Or catching this. You know, those are going to be some massive trades right there happening. That's going to be insane. I'm just saying. I don't even know what to think right now. I don't even know what to think right now. I don't even know. What do you think? What do you guys think, man? I mean, are you bullish or bearish? Answer the poll in the chat. So far we got 22 votes. We got 22 votes. Are you bullish or bearish on the crypto market? Bullish. 86% are bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? 83%. Excuse me. The poll is changing as I speak. 83% bullish and only 17% bearish. You guys are a bullish chat. Let's go. I'm just saying, I'm bullish as hell, bro. Like, I am just saying, bro, I am extremely bullish on Bitcoin and crypto this time around. I mean, this bull market is going to be absolutely explosive. It's going to be insane. We've got so much happening. And now, I think the effect of the US, of the one thingamajig, the thingamajig that's happening, you know, I'm not even going to say it on stream because I feel like if I do, I don't know. I think it's bad news bears, you know what I'm saying? I think it's Berenstein Bears or whatever. Y'all. But I don't even know if the effect of that one thing that's happening in the US this year, I don't know what the effect of it will be on crypto at all. But if it does, man, I mean, just imagine. I'm just saying. I don't know what you guys, how you guys feel about the candidates that you know, but man, I hate having to watch what I say, bro. I hate it. I hate it so much. Freedom of speech, where did you go, man? Where'd you go, freedom of speech? I guess you went to Rumble. Bro. Legit. Went to Rumble. Freedom of speech done went to Rumble. Yo. But I'm just saying, what?
Give me a sign. Will everything be alright? I need a sign.
Sorry, I got lost in the vibe for a second. Okay, Dogecoin, baby. We go into the moon regardless of what anybody says. I don't give a damn. We go into the freaking moon, okay? Everybody's gonna make money. You know why? Because you're early still. I don't care. Like, I know if you're new to crypto, you could be new to crypto and you could be like, man, what should I do? Should I buy crypto now? You could be like, should I even get into crypto right now? Is crypto even a good investment right now? And you know, I'm here to tell you right now that crypto is always a good investment. Well, I mean, it's not, depending on your timing and you know, if you depending on your situation, maybe your personal situation. Like, I'll be honest, when I first got into crypto, you know, I kept losing money because I was buying in the middle of a bear market. But still, even though I was buying in the middle of the bear market at the time, I bought and I held, and I was able to because I didn't need the money at the time, so I was able to make, you know, good money holding all the way till the next bull cycle. And even buying now, dude, it's halving month, bro. It's time to party. It's literally the halving month. Okay, we are so on the cusp of this just explosion in the crypto market. Okay, we're on the cusp of just a massive explosion. So, and it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna keep my own Bitcoin, man. We still at the. I still feel like.
Give me a sign. Will everything be alright? I need a
Still feel like.
I don't wanna waste my time. I wish I knew if all of my dreams would come true. I wanna be free. I gotta find a way to believe.
Ooh.
I will make it happen one day.
I still feel like we're gonna come down, son. I still think we're gonna come down. You know, I think at least short term we're coming down a little bit for sure, but I think, you know, possibility we could come down lower. I still think it's a possibility. Bro, I'll tell you what.
pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? You're out of your mind. I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that I've ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before, but don't look at me, cause you close the door, so watch out. Fear me now, I can get real mean. I can get real green, got me hulking now. I don't forget those things, don't hear me out. I focus on myself, I focus on my health. The greatest revenge is building up yourself. Your life and your drive, building up your wealth. Becoming something better than you've ever felt. If you got dreams that you're chasing, the fear in your life, stand up and face it. Ain't nobody coming to help, you're all alone in this world, in this life, embrace it. I know it might seem hard, it might seem tough, it may sound rough, but this state of mind will get you through a lot of stuff and keep you accountable to stay strong when it's tough. No help, I do it by myself, couldn't even tell it, I've been through well. But on the other side came a soldier, much bolder, standing broad shoulders. Step aside and give me the controller, I came here to win, I don't lose, high roller. I wanna be the best in the game, yeah, I came to play and invest, stay colder. No matter how I do feel, I still gotta prove that I'm better. I never say never, I work all alone, I don't work together. I got big moves and they coming soon. I'ma be a tycoon in the boardroom. Everything is fine-tuned, got no excuse. Coming back like new anytime I move. Call it resurrection, I'm obsessing. Got a new obsession, so obsessive. Strive for perfection, never second. I just wanna be a legend, don't forget it. I like to be pushed to my limits, I work till I finished. I hurt till I'm winning, till the thirst starts again. It takes me back to beginning, a cycle of me spinning. That's why I'm alive and I fight every minute to be worthy. I can't quench this thirsty, I'm motivated but I never get worried. I have faith I can win any journey. I just have to put my head down and keep working. I love conquest, I love progress. I feel so blessed that I get to reinvest all my time into doing what I love. It took a long time, but now my work is my drug. Each day I get to create something new that I used to motivate. Inspire the next to be better than the best. To fight for success and to get some respect. It's earned, not given. I'll teach if you listen, I'll give if you're driven. You'll win in a minute. Each day keep chipping at the goal and you'll get it. Don't fold, you'll regret it. Just work till you get it on. Don't stop till I'm at the top. I won't give up till my heart finally stops. I'm not lost. My goal is my rock, and each day it's another chance, another shot. So I'll work hard and I'll learn scars and I'll give hard, never letting down my guard. Been a long arc to get to this mark, but I got more things I want, so I'm gonna start.
Man, okay. So I'm really thinking that Bitcoin we could see a little short-term pullback action, continuation to the downside. I'm not really sweating it though. I'm waiting for this. I really think that this is likely to see some action, some really juicy action soon. We're almost done consolidating. So I'm really thinking we're gonna see something crazy big very soon. I'm waiting to see what happens. We're short term, it's iffy, but this is almost for certain, I feel like. But we'll have to wait and see. We still have to break the downtrend. We still got to break that downtrend, but this right here, and really this could even, if you want to be real technical, this could be a bull flag. Oh man. Oh man. Ha. Wow. Oh man. Okay, so the wedge target's nice. 85,500. Wedge target's nice. 85,500. Bull flag target is 100 to 107, possibly $110,000. We got $100 to $110,000 range for this bull flag measure move target. Oh my God, bro, we're on the cusp. We're on the cusp of this, man. If this thing does not correct to the downside here, if we hold support here above this high volume area, oh my God. Oh my. If we hold support there and we don't start to fall back down below 64, if we stay above $65,000, bro. If we stay above $65,000, then this bull market's about to explode, bro. It's about to explode. I mean, get your longs in, boys and girls. Because we about to ride a wave to the moon, baby. I'm telling you what. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, bro. I'm about to... Now, I mean, don't get me wrong, you know, something bearish happens, right? FOMC minutes coming up, whatever. I don't know. If something crazily bearish happens, you know, if the eclipse knocks out power, if the eclipse knocks out the power, whatever, you know, if if we have some kind of crazy thing happen, what do they call them? Black swans? I don't know. If we have something crazy happen, which I would say would be the powers that be trying to keep this from happening. Just saying. Who wants all the little guys to get rich? If you're the big guys, you don't. If you're the big guys, if you're the guys upstairs, you don't want the guys downstairs getting up there. No. So, you know, if something crazy does happen to keep this from happening, that's the only thing that's going to keep it from happening. Because I really fully believe this looks super bullish. I mean, extremely bullish. I mean, we're ready. We're ready. It's time to party, guys. It's time to party because it's happening right now. And the only thing that's going to keep it from happening is like some big black swan event that's going to cause this to roll over and come all the way back down and you know, sweep this. And if that happens, Bitcoin could, you know, drop all the way down. I don't see it happening, but down around $50,000, down around, you know, but I don't see it happening. But like I said, some kind of big black swan event or something like that could happen. It could sweep that low volume area and, you know, come back down, get a bounce. But I don't really see that happening. I really am looking more for this. It's just the way it looks. It's looking very bullish to me, but I mean, look at where we're at, man. Look at this. We are right above it. Right freaking above it. It's looking amazing, and oh God, I'm about to do it. I wanted to kind of wait and see if we drop down. I wanted to kind of wait and see if we back test 65, or I mean, yeah, close to it, down here around 66, 65. If we back test the support one more time, we've already back tested what, two, twice. We back tested that support. Because getting in down there on a back test around 65 would be beautiful, but waiting for it and could be detrimental as well. I'll tell you what, man, it's so stressful. Trading is extremely stressful. If you can't handle the stress, then you definitely can't trade, because God, bro, it's stressful. Anyone that tells you different's lying, because trading is extremely stressful. I'm just saying. But when you get those big wins, man, it's so worth it. It's so worth it when you get those big wins. But it is extremely stressful. It don't matter how good you are at what you do either. I don't care how good you are at TA or research or whatever. Trading is extremely stressful. But at the same time, there's a lot of aspects to crypto that's, you know, easy money. Meme coins. I'm not even kidding though. At this point, just buy a freaking dog coin. Make sure it's got a hat though. I'm not even kidding, bro. What do they got now? Ape with hat? What do they got? Ape with hat now? They got dog with hat, ape with hat. Wait, where is the Pepe with hat? Pepe with hat. Oh my god, we gotta make a coin. Alright, get on it. Get on it. We gotta get on it. What? We gotta get on it. We gotta make a Pepe with hat coin right now. Man. If nobody's done it yet, Pepe with hat. It's a frog with a hat. It don't even have to be Pepe. It can just be frog with hat. Bro, frog with hat. Alright, I'm about to go. What chain? Am I gonna do a base? We gonna get a damn frog with hat. Oh my god. Joe with hat. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, we actually we got something in the works actually, people. Oh my god, I just realized I gotta check Telegram. I gotta check Telegram. I'll do it in a second. Listen. Because we got some things happening. We got some things coming. We got some things in the works, okay, for a project. And it's going to be an extension of the Average Joe crypto project. So the holders, anyone still holding is going to get a nice piece of the initial pie once the new project launches. So just saying, I'm going to make sure, one way or the other, we're going to make sure that everyone in the beginning that rode with us, A1s from day one, we're going to make sure that those people get rewarded one way or another. Most likely in the form of an airdrop of the new token. So we'll make it happen. We're going to make it happen. And most likely it'll be the people in Discord, the A1s from day one. You already know who you are. It'll be people in Discord that were holding and fully invested and believed in and had faith in the project and the community as a whole. So as we kickstart this bull cycle and we pump this thing, it's gonna leave some people rewarded for sure, and we're gonna make it happen. Again, I gotta get on that. I gotta get on Telegram and get some things moving, make some things happen. I need to fill my cup up real quick, and I'll be right back. We got to jump into some altcoins. I do want to take a look at some altcoins. We got to do some altcoin TA. Pump the likes for us if you haven't yet. Again, I appreciate you guys hitting that like button. Are you bullish or bearish? We got 26 votes now. 77% bullish, 23% bearish on Bitcoin and crypto. The Bitcoin and crypto market to me is bullish. I mean, we got 23% out of those votes that are bearish, but hey, I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I'm bullish, and I'm patiently waiting to see if I should just pounce like a freaking mountain lion on its prey right here and just attack these gains real quick. Let's go. I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab some coffee in my cup one time because I'm about to get fueled up. Super fueled up. Real quick. I'll be right back.
like to get paid, that's why I work every day. I'll be making money till I'm in my grave. Don't care what they say, I'll buy time with my money.
All right.
To the bank, cause it's funny, the money keep coming, I manifest it. Sing these lyrics and you'll get it. I'm the bank, come invest it. I get tracked and I have it. Money finds me attractive. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss with the Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest.
I tell you what.
I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm
Look,
going off the
let's be honest. Let's be honest. What do you think?
I'm just coming with the rawness. I gotta admit that I'm usually modest, but I work hard for my shit. I'll do the work, yeah, I'll do it till it hurts. I'll invest in my future.
Let's be honest. What do we think? What do we think, guys? What do we think? We think we're gonna have one more pullback. We're gonna have one more drop down. Right? We're gonna have one more drop ski. One more short drop ski down. One more short drop down before liftoff. It's likely. It is likely. If you look, I mean, it is very likely. I don't want to wait, man. I don't want to wait. I want to go now. I want to go now. We could try to get a little action in on that, but bro, I'd just rather wait. I would just rather wait. We'll see what happens at the daily candle close, man. We'll see what happens at that daily candle close, because that's gonna be everything, really. Right? That daily candle close is gonna be everything. If that daily candle close down below this moving average right here, I mean, you can see we dropped every time. But if it closes above it, if that daily candle closes above it, right, the 21 day, if it closes above the 21 day, I mean, we might pump, we might just pump. So we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait for that daily candle close to really find out if we're gonna pump here, or if we're gonna drop back down for one more back test of this support, to see how strong it is for Bitcoin, to see if Bitcoin is going to bust a big ass nut up out of this, excuse my language. I don't know where that came from, my bad. Oh god, my bad. Blah, did you miss the altcoin TA? No, my man, you didn't miss the altcoin TA. We about to do it right now. I was just talking about this right here. I noticed this, we got a nice trend going. Yo, Striker Heart, my dude. Yo, listen. Listen. Pump the likes for us, man. We need the help. The algorithm hates us.
So build it tall, build it strong, build it large, and build a base first, so reliable you can reach the stars.
Hey, what do you do in your personal time? Is all you? Bro, listen. Hey, I thought about it. You know how you could, those sperm banks, man? I was like, man, why not sell some sperm? Why not trade some sperm for some crypto, bro? I mean, I ain't judging. I'm just saying, like, hey, we could totally flip a big ass profit, and we could do that shit quick and enjoy it. Like, what easier way to make money, bro? Oh my god, bro. Because those kids be coming back for your crypto. Oh my god, bro. No, man, you signed that. Don't you? I mean, you signed that. I don't really know the stipulations behind sperm banks, but I figure you signed that shit away. I don't know. It is kind of weird thinking about having a bunch of kids out there roaming around that you don't know. I don't know, but maybe the crypto gains from all that sperm donations. Maybe the crypto gains from all them sperm donations would make up for the I don't know. It is kind of weird, isn't it? Nah, fam. I don't know, man. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna spill my coffee. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh Lord, help me. Guys, anyways, we don't know exactly what's gonna happen with Bitcoin, but what I do know is that that's a circle. Okay? And you know what happens when you put a crack in a circle? It unleashes a whole big can of whoop ass. And that's exactly what Bitcoin's about to do to all the naysayers, all the skeptics, and all the non-believers. Bitcoin's about to open up a big ass can of whoop ass and spank that ass. Big Daddy Bitcoin coming to spank that ass. Okay? That's all there is to it. Sorry. You don't like it? Get the hell out. Alright. Altcoin segment coming up. We already know what it is. We already know. We already know. Okay. I'm gonna put a position in, guys. Don't you worry. But I really want to wait for the daily candle close. Alright, altcoin segment. What are you doing for the eclipse tomorrow? Well, you know what? I'm gonna go and get some shrooms from this website online. Bro, did you know that you can buy psilocybin online legally? What is going on? The times, they really have changed, fellas. You can buy straight up psilocybin in capsules online legally, and it's some kind of legal, like, church loophole, some kind of freedom of religion thing. Basically, it's like your freedom of religion to trip balls. So imagine tripping balls during an eclipse. I'm not promoting this kind of behavior, okay? I'm just saying, you know, what if someone tripped major balls during the eclipse? Bro, what if you trip balls while trading? Bro, what if you made what? Oh no. What if you could make hella money tripping balls trading? I'm just saying, what if it opened up, like, what if you just predicted shit? You watching a chart, and all of a sudden you just see, you're watching a damn chart, and all of a sudden you just see it doing something. It hasn't done it yet, but you're just seeing it move, and you're like, it's gonna go to that price. I'm going long right now. And then you just, like, pump out, like, thousands of dollars in gains while tripping balls. Bro, I might do it. If I do, I'll do it on the stream. Alright? We need a separate account to test this out. Hey, listen, you know what? I might do it because it's legal. It's totally legal now. So I might do it. I'm gonna have to join the Church of Psilocybin. I'm gonna have to join the Psilocybin Church, and then we'll trip balls and do trades live. Man, that spring cleaning really hitting hard, huh? Let's talk about this. Crypto analyst predicts post-halving surge for altcoins. So we're going to talk about this, and we're going to get into a few altcoins, do some altcoin TA. Man, I'll take some pink lemonade any day, bro. I just got to finish my coffee. I got like 3 more cups left in the pot. And then I'll take some pink lemonade. I need to rehydrate after all this coffee, bro. I'm swallowing this ish hot as hell, too. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. We ready. Huge pump incoming. We called it here first. I'm just playing. I don't claim nothing first. Anyways, except your mom. No, I'm just playing. That's a really messed up joke. I got, like, okay. I'm on one today, guys. I told you we so back. We so back. We so back. I told you. Like, next thing you know, I'm gonna be coming in on stream looking like this guy. Okay. Okay. All right. Look, the volatility of the crypto market has garnered both praise and criticism. With the anticipated Bitcoin halving, there is talk of potential upswing in the crypto town. Crypto town. Crypto town. Won't you take me to crypto town? Bitcoin would have its moment post-halving, and altcoins are going to have a go. As of April 5th, the total market cap for altcoins stood at $314.6 billion. Let's examine more closely why altcoins are the preferred option for consumers. Do you prefer altcoins over Bitcoin? That's a good question. That's a good question. So let's see what you guys think. Let's see what you guys think. Everybody seems bullish right now. Let's see what you guys prefer. And Memecoins, I guess, would be under altcoins. So do you prefer altcoins or Bitcoin? Let's see where we stand here. Alright, so factors behind altcoins price. Since the launch of Bitcoin, more than 9,000 plus other cryptocurrencies have entered the market. Just the thought of that's insane. 9,000 plus other cryptocurrencies. What the? The variety of applications that altcoins provide, from data oracles to governance, is what Bitcoin does not. Though Bitcoin continues to be the dominant player as a reserve currency on major exchanges due to perceptions of long-term holding and its significant role as an intermediary for converting fiat currency to cryptocurrencies, altcoin prices frequently follow Bitcoin's price fluctuations. There could be a bull run following the fourth halving, which would have an immediate impact on the altcoin market. This is partially because new investors are diversifying into altcoins, which have a lower entry barrier and thus attract new retail investors who otherwise would not have been able to enter the market through Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin's price continues to skyrocket to, unrealistic buying prices for the average investor, our altcoin market's going to be more bullish. Nevertheless, there are also times when altcoins rise in value while Bitcoin's price falls, suggesting that the relative outlooks of the two are in interaction. As many crypto analysts are positive about the rise of altcoins and the post-halving atmosphere as Bitcoin's demand fades. Who said this? Who said Bitcoin's demand is fading? Altcoins to consider. Let's see what they say here. Even though altcoins are considered riskier than Bitcoin, they have more room for innovation and technological advancements. In such a case, it is best to diversify investments with well-known altcoins like Ethereum, PayPay, BitGert, Solana, and more. Who the hell's promoting BitGert? No, I'm just kidding. It's okay. I mean, yeah, you know. Bro, what is this? Scapes Mania. But so basically this is just telling us that, expect altcoins to have a nice surge as well. Duh. Of course, we all know this, but I want to just hint at this article. Now, Cointelegraph's got an article that says Bitcoin halving will have to battle with weak time of year, and that's coming from Coinbase. So what is this about? Before we jump in, Coinbase explained that total crypto volumes are slowing down due to the market attempting to find the next narrative to power it higher. So, do we really need a narrative to power the crypto market higher? Do we really need a narrative to pump the market, right? I mean, or is just the 4-year cycle, the halving alone enough to pump the market, the hype alone enough to pump the market? But this is coming from Coinbase saying that crypto volumes are slowing down. Many crypto traders are eyeing the Bitcoin halving event as a primary driver for a potential price spike, but the time of year will be an obstacle, according to cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. The crypto market will need to find another narrative to further push up prices across the board, Coinbase further explained in its April 5th market commentary report. Now, personally, I don't think we should have to have a narrative to pump our portfolios. You know, I mean, personally, I think just the belief in the overall fact that crypto's here to stay and it's useful and it's popular globally is the main reason that it's here to stay, right? It offers such an opportunity for people. So let's see what they say. The Bitcoin halving, currently due April 20th or 21, could be a catalyst for higher prices, but it will have to contend with what is typically a weak time of year for crypto markets and other risk assets, which is, it's right in the heart of summer, people cashing out, going on vacation, people doing things. We'll see. 2019, we did have a considerable drop in price after a rise similar to what we just seen. Bitcoin has typically seen a monthly return of about 2.7% from June to September since 2011. While in other 8 months, it averaged a return of around 19.3%, according to data from digital assets research from Brave New Coin. Meanwhile, Coinbase further noted that overall crypto volumes have also continued to slow as the market tries to find a narrative to power it higher. Over the last 24 hours, the total crypto volume was $61.78 billion, a 33% decrease from the previous day. Wow. Total crypto volume decreased 33% in one day. Should we be concerned? However, the crypto exchange sees signs pointing toward the likelihood of an increase in new investors entering the crypto market in the near future. In our view, Bitcoin's increased acceptance as a form of digital gold could enable demand from a new subset of investors in this market regime. Bitcoin's dominance in the overall crypto market is 50.6%, according to CoinStats data, which is the market cap of Bitcoin relative to the overall crypto market. Furthermore, the report explains that those awaiting price declines to invest may find the troughs to be less and less as more investors get involved. Me, waiting for the price to decline. I'm waiting for that pullback, that retest, that back test to see if it does happen, but it's just a short-term, small back test. And I may not need to wait much longer, but we're at $69,500 currently for Bitcoin, so I may not need to wait much longer, but we'll see. As a result, we think dips are likely to be more aggressively bought compared to previous cycles, even as volatility persists during the price discovery, Coinbase wrote. Halving events may frequently been associated with spikes in the price of Bitcoin. Following the previous halving event in May 2020, Bitcoin's price surged, starting at $8,700. During the halving, the cryptocurrency rallied, reaching nearly $69,000 in November. So, let's go. Is Bitcoin going to push to freaking what were we talking about earlier? By the end of this year, 250 to 500,000. On April 6th, Cointelegraph reported that the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit ruled in favor of Coinbase, confirming that the secondary sales of cryptocurrencies on its platform do not violate the Securities Exchange Act. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. What's up, Crypto Holmes? Welcome back, my man. Appreciate you stopping in. Again, thank you guys for joining us. If you haven't yet, smash that like button for the algorithm. We need the help. The algorithm does not like us. We need that algorithm back in our favor, so it's greatly, greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much. And let's move on to the altcoins. Because are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? What are we about to do, folks? What are we about to do? Do you prefer Bitcoin over altcoins or meme coins? What do you prefer? Answer the poll in the chat. Let's see where you at. 80% so far prefer altcoins and meme coins to Bitcoin. We love now monetize us again. We need that super chat button back. We need the super chat button back. We are demonetized, guys. That's okay. It's okay. We'll get it back. We just need to keep it moving. That's the one thing you got to do. You just got to keep it moving. Gots to keep it moving. Waiting to see if Bitcoin's going to keep moving or if we're going to see something similar to each time this happened here after breaking the uptrends. The uptrend's getting shorter and shorter. We're getting a tight squeeze, ready for a breakout. Anytime now, Bitcoin waiting for a breakout. I appreciate the like buttons getting smashed today. You guys done so well, man. I really do appreciate it. Let's see if we can get it to 20. We're at 15 likes so far. I do appreciate it. Waiting to see what happens here. I'm waiting, and I'm waiting patiently. And if I do go into a position, I'll let you guys know. Don't forget to join the Discord, link in the description. We need about 3,000 hours of watch time to reapply for the YouTube partner program. 3,000 hours of watch time, which once I get the videos rolling again, it won't take no time to get that watch time. It won't take no time. All right, so moving on to some altcoins. Let's go. You guys can drop some altcoins in the chat. Let me know what altcoins to TA and go. This will be the altcoin TA segment. I will do about four or five coins or something like that.
Underneath what you see, they gon' eat anything, everything, make them bleed, cut them deep. A villain origin story, tangled with glory, now it's looking stormy. Off in the distance, hear the roaring, thunder pouring, there ain't no ignoring. What they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. On to the streets that they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. They took the form of a beast. They took the form of a beast. They took the form of a beast.
Chainlink. I like it. First one on the list too. All right. Let's look at it. Let's see if we can get a different one. I don't want to erase that, but so let's go to this chart.
None of us were ever really born equal. Only one life, there ain't no sequel. Some people live, others stay fearful. This world ain't never been peaceful. You got good, always butting heads against evil. The good try to be fair, but the bad lethal. They gon' fight dirty, every single one deceitful. Stand up, I wanna see your face. Get your chin up like you belong in this place. We gon' train like you've never trained before. You're going up against something that you can't ignore.
This ain't a game, this your life that we're playing with. There ain't no reset button or an off switch. You gotta face your fears, you gotta scratch the itch. You gotta break through the walls and get after it. Only time will tell who's gonna make it. I promise you, I'ma be the one who's gonna take it. I fight, I provide, leaving blood on the pavement. If you're up against me, then you better be praying, cause I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking. I'll keep going through the blood that I'm tasting. I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win and who will fail. Villains and heroes, no there ain't no one else. Pick a side by yourself.
All right, Chainlink right now on the daily testing support. Chainlink could get a bounce off of this support, and if it does, it'd break this short-term downtrend, which should get a target to run back up and test the resistance from the channel that you're in, the uptrend channel here, and that's going to put a possible daily target here of about $25 for Chainlink, and I like the sound of that. I like the sound of a $25 Chainlink, my friends. That would be a decent move, right? I mean, from the current price, that's a good almost 45% gain right there for Chainlink there. Now that would be, you know, that would possibly push us all the way to the end of this month, possibly the next month. Now, if we break bearishly for some reason, I mean, if we do, you got the 200-day moving average coming in hot at $15 for Chainlink. So $15. You also got the POC there. Nice volume at $15. I think that, you know, if we were to have a little fake out to the downside, we could get a fake out to the downside, test $15 for Chainlink, and blast off. You know, and then if $15 doesn't hold for Chainlink, you know, if for some reason Bitcoin slumps, whatever may happen, you know, if $15 doesn't hold for Link, then, you know, we might get that nice drop down to $10 to test $10 right here, $10 to $11 down here. Test that, but I think that personally, I think the 200-day moving average would hold if we back test it. Chainlink looks good. Chainlink looks good for a bounce off this support line. You already tapped it with that wick there and bounced, so it's looking good. Chainlink looking good right there. Crypto Homes, Link will hit $100 easily this bull run. I believe so too. Chainlink, I mean, Chainlink's been doing wonderful. It really helped kickstart this bull run too. Chainlink was one of the first movers, right? One of the first ones to break out of its major bearish trend from the bear market. For sure. Auction, let's look at auction real quick on the daily. Auction, oh, auction on the daily. Auction looking good. Auction crypto banging, getting ready to bang on them. Look at this. What a tight squeeze there on this beautiful asymmetrical triangle pattern. What is this madness? What is this madness here, folks? This thing is ready to bust. Oh my, look at this. So this right here, measure move target, boom, put it in place. What's it say? $80. $80. $80 to the money would be the breakout move for this. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Man, $80. $80. I mean, granted, you know, this, that'd be the conservative target. Bullish target, oh, if I could grab the pole. If I could grab the pole. if I could grab the poll, bullish target, conservative target 80 bucks, bullish target around 240. Wow. Wow, look at that craziness. Look at that craziness right there. Guys, if you haven't yet, pump the like button for us. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Man, that would be insane right there. NMR, okay. Numeraire. Numeraire. What you doing, Numeraire? Trying to break out, no doubt. Trying to break out, no doubt. We got beautiful wedges everywhere. What's going on? Why are we so bullish, guys? Why are we so bullish right now? Why are we so bullish right now? We got old Jerome Powell. We got old money printer bird Jerome Powell. Oh my God, bro, look. Okay. We might just make some money this week, guys. We might just make some money this week, fellas. We might make some money. How does it sound? How does it sound to retest $55 for a Numeraire? How does it sound? Now, backtest, downside, I mean, if you get rejected here, you don't break the downtrend, you fall down on the daily. Downside target 2250, 2150. Down here, testing the 200-day moving average. Back tested after breaking above it down here. Now, still bullish. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Because, you know, we got $55 Numeraire looking at us. ABT. Okay, arc block. What are we doing? Arc block breaking out right now on the daily. Oh my. Arc block breaking out right now. Okay. Arc block pumping. Honestly, we could go all the way down. Right?
My hands stable, I feel able to turn the tables.
Absolutely could.
Just keep moving, keep your hands up, stupid.
Oh yeah.
I feel lucid, a new viewing. I can see the end, I can see my future, I can view it.
$4.80 looking at you. $4.80 arc block coin pumping right now. I really think that we're looking pretty nice right here. Wow, look at this thing. Going crazy right now. Going absolutely crazy right now. Wow, look at that. Okay. I mean, you might as well say $5, right? Psychologically, $5 a wick up to $5. Run it up one time. Run it up. Run it up. Arc block. All right, hey, listen. Drop your altcoins in the chat. I'll do a couple more. We've been live for 2 hours. I appreciate you hitting the like button, guys. If you haven't yet, smash the like for the algorithm. Just for the algo, if nothing else. And if you love me, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And I'll do a couple more alts, and then I'm going to bounce. Somebody drop a couple more altcoins real quick, because we bullish right now. We bullish. Bitcoin getting that pullback in. Altcoins getting a move to the up. But right now, Bitcoin trying to get that short-term pullback action. That's why I'm going to wait and see where we close on the daily tonight. LCX, got you, bro. Got you. LCX, arc block looking good here. I'll hit up LCX for you. I'll hit up LCX for you. Arc block looking pretty damn good. Let's go, man. I appreciate you guys. Arc block looking pretty good. What's up, Samurai Style? I will do CTX. I will do, was that Cryptex Finance? I will do that. What's up, Life with Sefdar? What's going on? Welcome, guys, to the stream. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to pump the like for us. I am waiting, man. I'm trying to catch this breakout. We're gonna catch this breakout on stream, okay? We're gonna catch this on stream, okay? Trust me. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna wait and see what happens. If we break this uptrend, we might come back down for one more back test of support down here before liftoff. So we're waiting to see what happens here with the daily candle close tonight, and that might be when we get to enter a position on that daily candle close. LCX, let's go. What are we doing, LCX? They ain't no going back now. 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 Yeah, ready to. Okay. So we got our first of all daily W double bottom action getting ready to pop. Okay. The daily double bottom action getting ready to pop. We got a bull flag getting ready to pop here. Actually, the bull flag looks like it already popped. Let's look at it. Let's see what the target of this bull flag would be. Oh my. We are bullish. Bullish as hell. I mean, I'm talking extreme money making opportunities. Oh my god, bro. Bro, who don't like a damn bull flag like this? Who don't like a damn bull flag like this? On the daily. Oh my. What the? Yo. Yo. I'm just saying. How does freaking $2.50 sound? Well, technically $2.60 is the measurement. Now that's a little bit more longer term. We're looking at short term. You know, we might have already hit that short term target. Yes, we did already hit the short term target of the wedge. But look, if we don't invalidate this, like as long as we don't, you know, flip bearish and come down to this level here, right? Or technically, if we don't come below the 200-day moving average, if we don't come below it, then this is valid. 260 is valid. 250 is valid. If we don't drop below the 200-day moving average and stay below it, right? If we stay below 200-day moving average, then that's indication of reversal to the downside of this daily uptrend. But right now, this is looking good. We could still pull back all the way to the 200-day. We could pull all the way back to 15 cents and still be bullish. But if we close below and stay below that, that's what we'd be looking at for the bearish case. But we could be looking at LCX. You know, this could be the possible bull market top for LCX. Possibly. I mean, it could go higher even. But I mean, 785% gains, you know. If you're ever looking at, in the future, if you're ever looking at a $2.50 LCX, not financial advice, but I would sell. I would sell. Take those gains, man. Take those gains. Now, realistically, on the short term, we're still looking at short-term gains as well. But I still think, you know, realistically, we could expect, you know, obviously pullbacks all the way up. And a lot of them pullbacks could be harsh enough to scare a lot of people out of getting those higher gains. You know, that just happens. It's happened to me as well. All right, CTX. So Cryptex Finance on the daily, looking at possibly a breakout here soon. Actually, we're popping the LSMA on the daily for Cryptex Finance out of this beautiful descending wedge. Beautiful descending wedge, and we are popping up out of it here. If we're not popping out of it yet, but we're popping above the LSMA. If that holds above the LSMA here, beautiful bullish engulfing candle on the daily. If that holds, we could get this breakout to retest the top. On the short term, we would be retesting the top. On the longer term case scenario, Cryptex Finance would be also looking at possibility of running up here. This would be bullish case scenario. Bullish case scenario for Cryptex Finance, about $17, $18. I'm gonna say 8. I'm gonna put 18 in there, just because I don't know. I'm weird, man. I like even numbers. So I'm gonna say 18 cents. I mean $18. $18 for Cryptex Finance looks good. Now downside, you know, possibility if we short-term pullback, short-term back test. The wedge would put us right back to test the 200-day moving average as well. So we're right now at the cusp of a major breakout for Bitcoin as well as altcoins, as we are getting ready to see whether or not we need a back test of the 200-day to lift off to these higher price targets, or if we do not need a back test, and if we're just going to see liftoff. And if we see liftoff, we'll talk about these price targets some more in the next stream. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not yet. Hit that subscribe now. We are not going anywhere. This bull market has just begun, technically, even though we have seen it fast track to all-time highs for Bitcoin pre-halving, which is new, but still, we're still at the beginning of the bull market. So smash that subscribe, smash that like button. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this stream. Don't forget to check out Fairdesk. If you need a new exchange to check out and get those sign-up bonuses, use the link in the description or the link in the pinned chat. And I will see you guys in the next stream. Be looking out for some new video content on altcoins coming in soon as well, so make sure that bell is tapped. Join Discord, link in the description. Much love, Crypto Home, Samurai Style, Strike a Heart, everybody in the chat. Putin, everybody in the chat, Hellblood, much love to everybody in the chat. Thanks again, guys. Much appreciated. See you guys soon. It's all I need to overcome all my anxiety. One day I will have my victory. Crush all my enemies so viciously. Work so hard my hands are blistering, and they will carve my name in history. Wake up to the sound of the drums. Stand up, rock and loaded, here I come. I'm here to stay, here to fight another day. You can't stop me with some pain. I am here to make a change.